Welcome everyone. I'm standing here at the Burswood-on-Swan Conference Centre where earlier tonight we had the official opening of the World Skills Australia 2013 Global Skills Challenge. We were lucky enough to have the Honourable Terry Redmond, the Minister for Workforce Participation and Training, here with us tonight on behalf of the Premier Colin Barnett, and he conducted the official welcome to our international representatives but also to our Team Australia Skillaroos. It's been a fantastic night, a lot of Australian hospitality we hope. We had an Aussie barbecue, we had some performances by Indigenous dancers, and we even had some native animals here to thrill the crowds. And hopefully it's just been a nice way to welcome all of our guests to Perth, to Australia, and really set the scene for what I hope we can say at the end of competition has been a friendly competition. It's a very important training program for our Skillaroos and hopefully for the rest of the competitors who are coming out here, but above all we hope that they enjoy the experience and it sets them up for the 42nd World Skills competition in Leipzig. There will be intense action over the next 4 days. People will be honing their skills, people will be looking at their opposition, people will be judging where they're at in their preparation. It's not long now until Leipzig, so it's a very important phase of preparation. Also, we hope that many new friendships will be forged, and that's one of the beauties of being part of World Skills International, being able to forge international relationships that hopefully will last for many, many years. It's been a great night. We're winding down here now. Hope everyone's enjoyed tonight, and we look forward to bringing you all the action from the 2013 Global Skills Challenge over the next 4 days here in Perth.